Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M53 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Samsung. Start by opening settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose biometrics and security. Then choose face recognition and enter your current login method. Following that, you need to read all of those disclaimers and instructions, choose continue, and remember to keep your face in frame until you see 100% mark. Now you can click on the sweater over here to turn on or off stay on lock screen until swipe feature. When you're ready, save your changes by tapping on done. Now you can adjust all of those face unlock settings however you want to and click on home button. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!